going to check out the 5 best men's toiletry bags. Let's get started with the list. Number 1, Best Overall. Herschel Unisex Adult Toiletry Bag. This striking compact-sized bag from Herschel Supply Company is perfect for gentlemen who pack light. Made of 100% polyester, this bag is sturdy enough to handle many years of use while remaining at a reasonable price point. The rectangular shape and 4 inches by 8 inches size is perfect for stuffing in small corners of bags, making this bag a perfect travel accessory. The handle on the side makes for easy carrying, and the interior slip pocket is wonderful for corralling smaller items. The red liner adds a pop of color to a subtle color scheme, making this bag stand out. Number 2. Kenneth Cole Reaction Men's Toiletry Bag. An excellent option for the man who values looks but also his budget, this stylish black toiletry bag from Kenneth Cole Reaction is sure to be a hit. The bag is vinyl but looks like leather, don't tell, and no one will ever know. A convenient side handle makes carrying a snap, and the single top zipper construction makes it easy to access your toiletries. This bag features a smaller pocket on the side for smaller, more frequently needed items, and the entire interior is fully lined to make cleaning life spills easier. Number 3. Briggs & Amp Riley Baseline Classic Toiletry Bag. For the man with a classic taste, this Briggs & Amp Riley bag will more than suffice. This stylish ballistic nylon weave bag can stand up to years of use and abuse. No matter how tough or demanding you are on your things, this rugged bag will hold up. This bag is more than big enough to hold anything you might need, fitting even some full-sized toiletry products such as a can of shaving cream. The lining is durable enough to resist puncture and abrasion, and the 2 zippered pockets will hold any personal products you might need for any adventure. Number 4. Dakine Unisex Groomer Toiletry Bag. This small but stylish bag from Dakine is sure to turn heads. Choose from camo, sportsman, a royal blue with a white fish motif, and verde, a sporty gray and green pattern. An unusual duffel-inspired shape and design give you fast access to the things you need most, and multiple interior pockets. Including a mesh pocket near the top, keep your supplies organized. A nylon lining makes cleaning a snap, so even when life gets in the way, your bag will hold up to repeated use. If you're looking for a distinctive, stylish bag, look no further. Number 5. David King & Amp Co. Small Double Zip Toiletry Bag. For men that enjoy a close shave, this bag from David King & Amp Co. is perfect for storing your supplies and taking them with you on the road. Keep your aftershave and shaving cream on one side of this genuine leather bag, and your razor on the other side to keep everything clean and organized. Choose from black, cafe or tan. The interior's lined with fabric, and if you regularly condition the leather, this bag can last you a lifetime. At this price point, this bag is a steal and makes a great gift for fathers, husbands, sons, or any special gentleman.
Thanks for watching the video.